All right, let's turn now to weather. Roland is here and he's cranking up the thermostat.
Yeah, I think that tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, we're going to be toying with temperature readings very close to the century mark, plus or minus a degree or so. Any way you slice it, friends, it's just going to be toasty, and that's why I'm putting up this live shot right now. Cascade Kelly Whitewater Park. This is going to be a great way to break the heat, and that is head up to the mountains this weekend. Temperatures are going to be significantly cooler up there, and it is going to be equally as sunny. Just a beautiful scene up there right now. So the temperature readings, the highs that we have hit so far in the Treasure Valley, 93 degrees. Now that's where we should be. I think we're going to continue to climb another 2 or 3 degrees. By the end of the day, we'll see highs of about 95 to 96 degrees, and it can only get warmer tomorrow. 93 is that average, and there's 106 degrees, which is the record for this date set back in 2003. Nampa right now is at 91 degrees. Caldwell also at 93. Mountain Home is at 94. And McCall right now, that's just perfect, 85 degrees. So on the satellite imagery, yes, there is a little moisture around the western United States, but you got to go down here into the desert southwest. This moisture is going around the perimeter of a very large area of high pressure that we have building in across the western United States. And the reason we're locked into this pattern right now, keeping us crystal clear, is that the high pressure is going to be getting stronger over the next couple of days. Satellite's not broken. There's not a cloud to be found anywhere in the state of Idaho right now. So on the east coast, we have this developing area of low pressure. That's where the cooler air goes. Then on the west coast, we have this developing area of high pressure. Watch what happens as the cooler air starts to plunge down toward the south and toward the east. It causes the ridge to get bigger out here over the western United States, and so that's the reason why the temperatures are going to be even hotter tomorrow through Saturday and Sunday. We're just going to call it a heat wave with high temperatures again tomorrow through Sunday, somewhere right around 100 degrees plus or minus a couple of degrees, and we're just going to have tons of sunshine all the way through the weekend. Here's what the computer models are projecting through the day tomorrow. Sunny skies, maybe a little hint of a cumulus cloud here and there over the mountains, but it's going to be dry tomorrow. Then looking ahead towards Saturday, look at how dry it is still all across the west into the Pacific Northwest. That is just unusual. We would at least normally see some moisture developing over the mountains, but the air is just too dry. So 7-day forecast for the Treasure Valley. I'm going to go with a high tomorrow right around 100 degrees. Again, some areas in the valley might be 98, 99, but some areas could be right around 100. Even a little bit hotter on Saturday. Sunday about the same. We'll keep the hot temperatures in there. Lots of sunshine. Then we'll start to break down that high pressure just a bit around the middle of next week, and that will introduce a little moisture and slightly cooler conditions to the area. The mountains are going to be seeing temperature readings very close to 90 degrees tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, with overnight lows dropping down into the 50s. And then next week, as the high pressure breaks down, I think we'll see a little bit of a shower chance in the afternoon in the mountains on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So hope you got a way to escape the heat this weekend, but you know, it's summertime.
It is.
In the Treasure Valley.
And just think, 6 months from now, we'll be saying, oh, I wish it was hot.
Remember back in July?
When our temperatures were in the hundreds? Okay, Roland, thank you.
My pleasure.